Does food waste mean anything to you? Right now, on our planet, 41 tons of food is thrown away every second. That's 1/3 of the world's food production. And at the same time, 800 million people, that's 1/9 of the world's population, are hungry. Can't we do anything about it? Since the 18th century, scientists like Nicolas Appert and Louis Pasteur have given us major inventions to ensure the safety of food by heating it while preserving its nutritional qualities. Even if the principle is simple, its application requires the mastery of high-level technologies. At Steritech, our mission is to design, manufacture, install and support producers in the food and pharmaceutical industries with innovative and environmentally friendly preservation solutions. All over the world, whether it's for big producers or small ones, we work with the same values. Humility, because we know how to call ourselves into question when it comes to the importance of current issues. Honesty, because all our relationships are based on authenticity and transparency. Perseverance, so we can meet our commitments in the context of global challenges and uncertainties. We're always striving for excellence through our team spirit and our exchanges of best practices with our partners. Sharing, because we want to help combat food waste. Let's join our talents to feed and protect the world.